Hey, welcome to the Carandtrain channel. Last week, my wife was filming me on the Whiskey Creek Railway, and the chain, you see the chain broke. But when she saw the chain on the track, she thought that it was a snake. So it took me a little while to understand exactly what happened, and I'm going to show you, and we are going to repair that live. So it's going to be very easy. I'm putting the chain back, and what happened is that the link, the removable link, just broke. Actually, I lost the spring, the clip that holds it together. Sorry, my gloves are dirty, but you are able to see. I read online, I had the blueprint. So the chain, they go by chain number. This is on a half-inch pitch with about a 0.3 of an inch width of the roller and diameter of the roller, so of each roller. The rollers, if you may want. So that's the dimension of each roller. So I went online and found that it's a chain number 40. Then I went on the blueprint of this locomotive, and they said that it was 40. A lot of stores, they carry those links. They are very inexpensive. To give you an idea, I got a pack of four for $1.29. The good news is that I can break much more and there won't be any issue. I think on this side I won't be able. So you see how I put back the chain on the sprocket, and then I put the link. And the good thing about using the sprocket is that it's exactly the right pitch or dimension. Then on the other side, I'm going to put back the plate. Here we go. It's always a little bit dirty. Very good. And now I'm going to put the clip. And that's that easy to repair. And we are going to be up to, again, using the switcher on the track. So I'm not going to film putting the clip because I just want to make sure that I do it properly, it doesn't jump. But I think that you got all the information that you needed. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section below the video.